Okay, everyone. So what we have today, the attributes of body tag. In that, I had told you about body, background color, busy color, uh, background image, text color, link color. Now today I am going to tell you about a link, that is active link. A link stands for active link. Means whenever we click on the link, that becomes the visited link. When we click, we go to another page. We visit another page. But here it is telling that when you hover the mouse, when you take the mouse on any link, so at that time, what color of the link should be? When you take the mouse on a link, at that time, what color should be there of the link? So that only is called a link. A link means active link. So a link, this attribute specifies the color of an active link in a document, HTML document. A link gets activated when it is clicked. Means when you take your mouse on the link to be clicked. The default color of a link attribute is red. By default, it is red. When you take mouse on the active link, it becomes of red color by default. So let me show you the example. Okay, in an HTML document, I'll show you the example. Here I have like first HTML document. On the desktop, you all can see. Here we have first document. I'm going to open this in Notepad. Okay, open with Notepad. Now this document has been opened in Notepad. As you can see here, I have given the link color as green. Now I am going to give here the A link. A link. Let me remove this link color. Link color is by default blue color. Let me remove this and write A link. A link equal to, now by default it is of red color. So let me define another color. Suppose we want it of orange color. A link we want as orange color. So now what will happen? The link which we have given here, that is the text, click here to open another HTML page. So this is the text which will appear by default of blue color. But when you take your mouse on the link, on this link, it will appear as orange color. Okay. Now let me save it and execute the file. So let me double click the first file, first.html, and you can see it in Internet Explorer. Now it has been opened. Okay. Now by default you can see the color is blue. But as soon as I click it, can you all listen to me? Hello everyone. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I have taken the mouse on the link. Now as soon as I click it, you can see the link has become of orange color. Can you see? Kindly.
Yes, sir.
When I have clicked it, I have just touched it. When you touch the link, automatically it becomes of orange color. Means it becomes of the color what we have defined for a link. A link means active link. Okay. And when you click it, so once again see here, now it has become of orange color because we have visited now. So active link color will appear only when your link is active first time. First time when your link is active, at that time when you click the link, it will become of the defined color. Defined color means what color we have given in the code. So we have given in the code as orange color. You can see here A link we have given as orange color. So that's why our link, active link became of orange color when we touched it, when we clicked it. Okay, now let me explain about other thing, that is about V link. Okay, A link is over. Now I have another presentation. In that we will talk about V link. V link stands for visited link. Okay. So here we have the second presentation. Yeah. Now you all can see V link. So active link we have just finished. V link stands for visited link. This color appears when you visit any link. Means when we click on the link and the page is visited. When we click on any link and the page is visited, after visiting the color becomes of different color. Okay, that link becomes of different color. So that's what is given by V link. Okay, let me tell you one thing. All the students listen to me. Kindly don't call me while
Yes,
attending the live
sir.
class. There are many students who are just ringing me. Now they are late and they are not getting joined in the class, so they are calling to me, ringing to me. It's very bad. I am attending the class and you are ringing the phone. It means what will happen to the class? This is very bad habit. I am just giving warning. Next time I will block all the numbers. Whoever will call, I will block them. And I will not allow here also to join. First thing they are late and now they are calling. They are just ringing. Okay, now can you see the presentation? V link. So V link,
Yes, sir.
you can see this attribute specifies the color of a visited link in a document. And the default color of visited link is purple. The default color of active link was red. And the default color of V link is purple. So let us now define in our page as V link, visited link. Here we have already opened our page. Now here in place of A link, let us give it as V link. And V link, suppose we want as magenta. Okay, a different color. Magenta. V link we want as of magenta color. Now you will see when we touch the link and the page opens. After that, when we come back to the original page, the link becomes as the color of V link. That is visited link. Now you want to see it, save it. After saving, just refresh your page. I'm going to refresh the page. Okay. The page is refreshed. Now you can see the color is of, I think, orange color. Let me just visit the page and then we will see. Okay, I have visited the page. Now if you go back, now you can see it is of visited color. Visited color, that means V-link color. Okay, if you touch, you can see it is neither blue nor green or any other. It is of magenta color. Is it clear? Do you identify the magenta
That is
color?
yielding and feeling are only for color attribute. Means yielding and wheeling are only.
No, no, there is a difference between A-link and B-link. Okay. See, again the students are calling. This is very bad habit. What I say to them. A link means active link, when you touch the link to visit. And V link means visited link, means when you have visited the page. When you have visited the page, then the link of that page becomes as the color of V link, visited link. Is it clear? Any confusion to anyone? Is there any confusion to anyone, any student? Okay, let me continue now. The further. Now we have top margin, bottom margin, left margin, and right margin. Margin attribute. So in that we can give the different margins. All of you know the margin. Margin stands for the space. The space given between the top of page, means top edge of the page, and the text. Between the text. The text, as you can see here in the web page, I show you. So here is the web page. You can see the web page is coming from the corner, top left corner. But if you define the top margin and left margin, then what will you see? Suppose if you define 5 point or 10 point, then you see the text will appear 5 or 10 points away from the corner, away from the top edge and away from the left edge of the page. So let us define this: top margin, left margin, right margin, and bottom margin. So first let us know about the attribute top margin. What is top margin? It sets a top margin, that is the distance between the top of the document and the top of the browser window of your body element. Then we have a left margin. It sets a left hand margin, that is the distance between the left side of the document and the left edge of the browser window. Means where your text or the document text is going to appear, between the browser window. So as you can see here in the notepad, we have written the code V link, A link, whatever. Let us erase these things and just write only top margin and left margin. Okay, let it be there. Just only write top margin equal to, now how much point you want? 5 point, 10 points, suppose 10 point. Okay. Now let us save it and execute the page. Refresh the page. Now you see from the top corner, from the top of the window, there will be space between the text and the top edge of the window. Okay, 10 point, very less space. Let us give more point, more than 10, suppose 50. Now let us see. Yeah, you can see 50 point when we have given. Now it is showing 50 points away from the top edge of the window. 50 points away from the top edge of the window. Now in the same way we can give left margin. Left margin. So we can write left margin equal to how many points? Suppose again 50 points we want. So save it and execute the page. Now you see the space to the left side, left edge of the page. Okay, here you can see 50 point space to the left edge of the window. Now suppose if I give here LTR, dir, an attribute dir equal to, let us give RTL. Now what will you see? The text appears from the right side. Then I can tell you right margin. Okay. Now you see the text appears from the right side. Now the text has gone to right side. So now let us set the right margin. If we set right margin, then the text will appear that many points, whatever we define, that many points away from the right edge of the window. Can you all hear to me? Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let us write the right margin. Right margin equal to suppose 50 points. Okay. Now let us save it and execute the page. Now you can see 50 point space to the right side. Have you seen? Are you all seeing? Are you able to see?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there any problem to anyone?
Yes, sir.
So that is all
As left
about
margin
top margin, left
is
margin, right margin. Now we have font tag. Okay, now the body tag attributes are over. Now we are going to talk about other basic tag of HTML, that is font tag. So what is font tag? As you all know, if you have used MS Word, MS PowerPoint or MS Excel, so in that we can increase the size of the text. We can increase or we can decrease the size of text. We can change the color of text, or we can apply the different styles to the text. So how we can do all that? How can we change the style of text? How can we change the size of text and color of text? These things are possible in HTML with the help of font tag. Which tag? Font tag. So font tag, it specifies the font face, font size and font color of the text. The font tag provides no real functionality by itself, but with the help of a few attributes, this tag is used to change the style, size and color of HTML text element. Okay, this tag is generally used for changing the appearance of a short segment of text. It can be set for a character, sentence or entire document. Now what are the attributes of font tag? So as you can see on the screen, are you all able to see the screen? So the first attribute we have size. We write the font tag and inside font tag we write the size. Size equal to, we can give the size in the points, 5 point, 10 point, 15 point. Now here given, what is the size? This attribute specifies the size of the text inside a font tag. The range of accepted values goes from 1, that is the smallest range of font size, to the 7. 7 means that is the largest range of font size. But we can also set the relative size to the current size using the plus sign, that is positive, or the minus sign, that is negative sign. Like by default you have set the font size 1. Now you want to increase by 2, so you can write plus 2. Plus 2 means that in the default size of the text there will be increment of 2 points. The size will be increased by 2 points. That means plus 2. As here you can see, we can define the size equal to number, that is the number from 1 to 7 that defines the size of the text. Default value, that is default size of text, is 3, positive 3. Like here given, font size equal to 4. But here no increment or decrement is given, directly point is given. So two things we can do, either we can do the increment or decrement by using the plus or minus sign, and second thing we can do, we can give directly the points. So let us use the font size, color and style. Face also is there, face attribute, that is the font family. So let us use this. in our text. Here we have the code, HTML code. In this code, okay, we are going to write something. Okay, this is the text we have written. Now what we want? We want to change the font size, color, and font face. So what we write? We write the font tag. Let us write font space. Now include this also, angular bracket, and then inside font type the size. How much size you want? So suppose we want in points. In points we want 4. Then color you can write color of the text. Suppose we want the color of the text as you can take any color, orange color. Then suppose face, we want face as suppose Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Okay. Now close the font tag. Close the font tag. Okay. Font tag is closed. Let us include BR tag also. BR tag stands for break the line, break the rule. So save it and now refresh the web page. All of you can see the sentence what I had written. All the students of class 10th are busy in live class. So this has become of orange color as we had given orange color, and the size we have given 4 points. So it has been increased by 4 points. The size has been increased by 4 points. As you can see, this text is smaller than this given text. Okay. Now further, if you want to change, suppose you want to change the size by +7. Okay. Or +5, +3. Now I am giving the size in positive or negative way. And change the color also. Suppose you want the color as green. Now again refresh the page by F5. Now you can see the size has been changed. I had increased the size by 3 points, 3 positive points. That means by default 3 is the size. Now in 3 more has been added. In 3 more have been added. That means 3 plus 3 6. The size has become now 6. So now you can see the color has become green and the size of font is 6. By default the size is 3. This text is having the size 3. But in that we have given +3. +3 means add 3 in the previous size. So we have added 3 in the previous size, that is 3 plus 3. Now this size is 6. Have you all understood? Kindly reply. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there any problem to anyone?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So these are the 3 attributes of font: size, color, and face. Okay. So that's all for today. In next class, we will have some other attribute with some other tag. Okay. let me take the attendance. Then you can